In JavaScript, the Object.assign method copies all viewable own properties from one or more source objects to a target object. An own property is a property that hasn't been inherited from an ancestor object. Here we have a callback to the first two Paper Mario games. In those games, characters were stored 1,000 units below the surface so they could easily be warped up when they were needed for a cutscene. So we're emulating that by having a point object where a particular cutscene takes place. Then we're using Object.assign to copy the cutscene coordinates into a character coordinates object that contains the Z coordinate where the character is 1,000 units below the surface. When you're using Object.assign and the source object and target object share a property, which one takes precedence? Here you can see that the sources object property took precedence because obj2's A value is now 1 after the Object.assign took place. This would continue to hold true for multiple objects where the last source object you pass into the function would have the properties that take priority over any previously shared properties. One last thing to make note of, when Object.assign copies properties of objects that map to reference values like arrays or other objects, a shallow copy takes place. This means if you change the array in the target object, it will also be changed in the source object, as you can see in this code. To fix this, you can use the structured clone method and pass in the object you want copied. Be aware that while structured clone is available on all modern browsers, it isn't available in some versions of Node.js. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about objects in JavaScript, check out the video on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao!